Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to use OnePay Later at Walmart. First, open the Walmart app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account so you can check out without any issues. Now start browsing for the items you want to buy. You can search for products or explore different categories. When you find something you like, tap on it, review the details, and then tap on Add to Cart. Repeat this process until you have added all the items you want. Once you are done, go to your cart. After that, tap on the button that says Proceed to Checkout. This will take you to the checkout page where you will enter your shipping details if they are not already saved. Continue to the payment section. Here you will see different payment methods available. Look for the option that says OnePay Later and select it. After selecting OnePay Later, the app will show you a payment schedule. This schedule will explain how much you need to pay now and how much you will pay later, usually broken into smaller monthly payments. Take a moment to read this carefully so you understand the plan. If everything looks good, confirm the payment. The app will process your order using the OnePay Later option. After completing your purchase, you can track your payment schedule anytime. You can do this through the OnePay Later app or sometimes through the Klarna app, depending on how the service is provided in your region. Thanks for watching.